Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class, and we will start where I left in the previous video number 2. During the 1760s and 1770s, it became common to pitch the ball through the air rather than roll it along the ground. So, as dear children, you know that in every games rules used to change every now and then due to the passage of time. So here the writer is telling that during 1770 and 1770s, meaning during this 10 years, one decade period, in cricket, ball was giving through the air rather than ball along the ground. This change gave bowlers the options of length, deceptions through the air, plus increased pace, meaning speed. Now they had started giving ball into the air, so it had given a speed to the ball, and now bowlers were capable to send the ball or throw the ball at length as well. It also opened new possibilities for spin and swing. Now, this was the starting time for generating spin and swing bowling. In response, batsmen had to master timing and shot selection. Now, the batsmen had to select timing for the selection of their shots because swing balls and spin balls came into existence according to this rule. One immediate result was the replacement of the curved bat with the straight one. See, earlier only low length ball were given. That is why the cricket bat was in the shape of hockey stick. But now, with the result of swing and spin ball or the change of this rule, the shape of bat directly changed and it had come almost at the present sort of bat. The weight of the ball was limited to between 5.5 to 5/4 ounce. The ball weight remained almost same as it was earlier, and the width of the bat to 4 inches. The width of the bat was also decided, that used to be 4 inches. In 1774, the first leg before law was published. Also around this time, a third stump became common. See, as this story is telling the changes which came during with the passage of time, these changes are highlighted here. So what happened? The first leg before law, around this time, a third stump also came, and this law, the first leg before law, was published. By 1780s, 3 days had become the length of a major match, meaning now test match 5 days, but that time 1780s 3 days had become the length of a major match, meaning if the match is long, then 3 days used to be the time for that in 1780s. And this year also saw the creation of first 6-seam cricket ball. First seam cricket ball also emerged in the same year, that is 1780. If you look at the game's equipment, you can see how cricket both changed with changing times and yet fundamentally remained true to its origin in rural England. Now the writer is talking about the equipments used in cricket. So he says that if you see cricket, then in cricket some basic fundamentals are still same as it used to be at the time of rural England. But as far as technology is concerned, as far as equipments in cricket used in concern, lots of changes has come in that. Cricket's most important tools are all made of natural, pre-industrial materials. So almost all the natural tools are in pre-industrial material like bat and ball. As far as the first tools of cricket are concerned, the bat is made with leather, twine, and cork. These are the material used to make a bat. Even today, both bat and ball are handmade, not industrially manufactured. Even at present time also, the bat is handmade. Good quality one is talking about here. Now once it was cut out of a single piece of wood. The material of the bat changed slightly over time. Once it was cut out of a single piece of wood, now it consists of two pieces, the blade which is made out of the wood of the willow tree and the handle which is made out of cane, and became available as European colonialists and trading companies established themselves in Asia. See, earlier what used to be, they were making bat with a single piece of wood. Handle and the later part of bat was used to be made with the same piece of wood. But now the change has come in it. For handle, different wood is being used, and for the greater part of the bat, that is willow wood is used. I hope you all have followed it. So today we will do this much. Thank you.